All right, guys, this is question 14 of the challenge, and I'm very sure you've been following through, right? And if it has been helpful, please let us know in the comment section as you already know that. So, guys, we have another question of logarithm to solve, and they want us to find the value of y when x is 4. So we just have to get started, put in the value that's given to us, and see what the equation will look like before we start solving. So quickly, let me just replace x as 4 to start with. So now I have log y base 2, and that is equal to 3 minus log 4 to the 3 over 2 base 2. Perfect. Now, let me tell you something about exponents. If I have, let's say, a to the m over n, this m you see is the power, and this n you see is the root. So all this expression becomes what? The nth root of a to the power m. So in other words, if I have, let's say, 5 to the power 7 over 2, this becomes the square root of 5 all to the power 7. Yes, this is another way you can write square. You can also write it as square root of 5 all to the power 7. Actually, this is the same thing as square root. This is square root, but it is tautology to write 2 here. But anyways, it's fine. You get it, right? So let's go to this particular problem and see how we can apply this concept. So right here, I have log y base 2, and that is equal to 3 minus log. This is the square root of 4 to the 3, right? This 2 is the root, and this is the power. So that's the square root of 4 all to the power 3, then base 2. What is square root of 4? The square root of 4 is 2. 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So we have it to be log 8 base 2. So all of these things, you can do them real fast, even in your mind, even without writing all this. This is just an explanation. That's why it's quite long. If I'm doing it myself, of course, by now I should have my answers. So let's keep solving. We have log y base 2 is equal to 3. What's log 8 base 2? That is 3 raised power what will give me 8. That is 3. So that is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So now we have log y base 2 equal to 0. How do you get rid of the logarithm? How do you get rid of the logarithm? So this is going to be like y is equal to 2 to the 0. Like I told you, this 2 will take this guy as its power and you put it to the input. And once it's 2 to the 0, that is simply 1. So the answer is just 1. So the answer is option D. So guys, how is this one? Does it help? Let me know in the comment section. And I want to see you in the next video challenge, question 15. Bye-bye for now and God bless.